Hello, this is James Smith at GANanalysis.net. Register to our site for a few free reports. Hit the like button, follow us on social media, subscribe to the channel, and definitely if you're really interested, maybe think about a 3-month trial subscription. Today we're looking at silver, and we have an anchor here at this high. We've got an anchor at this low here in March of 2020. And what we're doing is we draw a Gann fan down from high. The red line is the 1x1. Where it crosses the level of that prior swing low, we call that a square out. So the idea is that a square out calls for a turn. You don't always know which way it's going to turn, but you know you're going to get a turn. So the little red circles show you, it highlights the turns that it's spotted already. In June of 2021, it called a high as it hit the 1x1. That was a nice setup. Failed at the 1x1, gave you advance warning that it was getting ready to go down. Same thing happened here. We had a turn in October of 2021. It chopped around a bit, but it did go down. It wasn't such a big move, but it was a turn effectively. Now, this was a more important turn here in August of 2022. The green line is highlighting the fact that this green line crossed the level of the prior swing low at that time in August of 2022. It called a low, an important low, because even though it sort of danced around a bit, you can see you had this big move up afterwards. And you can also see the 1x2, this green line. When you broke out above that, you got this huge move. Now, more recently, from the high here in May, it's been selling off. So my thinking is that it's more likely to turn higher. Of course, again, we can't say that with certainty. We have to confirm it by a close above a few Gann retracements or square 9 levels. And then you can say, okay, now we know that it's turning higher. Or alternatively, if it closes below some Gann support lines, like maybe this 1x3 line, this pink line here, maybe you have an idea that, oh, okay, it's calling for a turn down, not up. So, you wouldn't use this by itself. You would use it in conjunction with other Gann tools to confirm that it's actually turning the direction you think it should be turning. But I just wanted to highlight the fact that this is very useful. It shows you, the red circles show you turns in the past, and presumably sometime this week we'll get a turn. Now, obviously tomorrow we've got the August employment data coming out, which should be a market moving event. And if it's a really lousy number, then that would stand to reason that, silver might rally in anticipation of bigger rate cuts from the Fed. So bigger rate cuts from the Fed, the dollar goes down, commodities and especially precious metals go up. So I think you can already see that that's happening. The December contract is up 2% here into Thursday's close. I think some traders are anticipating a bad number and they're jumping and, they're positioning for it before the employment report comes out. So a 2% rally here Thursday. If you get some follow through buying, there are certain levels that we would monitor to confirm that it's a real breakout. And that's why you would think about subscribing, so you could take advantage of that trade. So you can see the levels, square of 9, Gann resistance levels of various sorts that will confirm that this is a turn higher and not lower. So I hope this has been helpful. Do us a favor again, hit the like button, follow us on social media, subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot, and I appreciate your time.